Everybody, Troy, Roadside RC. We're out here again today at the backyard crawler course with Rich DRC's GMade GOM. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If this is your first time, please see, do you like this? If you do, really appreciate it if you consider hitting that subscribe button, hitting that notification button. Thank you very much. Let's get crawling. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along. If you want to see some more videos from us, if you want to see some more crawling videos or something else, check out the links that are over to the side as we close the video out, and we will see you next time. Thank you.